Hey there, campers! Here's how you can increase your health in Outbound. You can actually increase your maximum health in the game by upgrading your clothing. Before you can do that though, you'll first need to unlock the blueprints for the sewing table and the spinning wheel. The sewing table blueprint can eventually be obtained through signal towers or landmark terminals, while the spinning wheel is only obtainable inside Sunbeam Acres Farm. Once you've unlocked both workstations, build them and craft at least 4 threads using the spinning wheel. You'll also need to collect 4 pieces of rough stuffing, which can be gathered from these reeds found beside rivers and lakes. After gathering the required materials, head over to your sewing table, click on the t-shirt icon, and craft Clothing Upgrade 1. Complete the short minigame, and the upgrade will automatically equip to your character. And that's basically all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more straightforward guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.